Yeah, when I first heard about the story of Anthony and the opportunity to serve him or to do something nice for him, personally, I feel like it's a great opportunity to really just step in and provide some type of service or a product or really just letting them know that you care. It's really a cool opportunity to be able to step in and provide that for them. And as a person, it makes me feel like there's an opportunity, something I can do. And so really made me happy. And then when I shared the news with the family or the crews at Garage Living, they also had a lot of joy and a lot of excitement for the project itself. See any of our projects come to life is really exciting. I think in the garage or in the home renovation space, the garage is sometimes overlooked, and I don't think that a lot of people understand, what a great opportunity it is to come in and totally transform the garage, the feel of the house. How many times have you gone through your front door in the last year? And usually it's, maybe a few times, depends if they go out to get their mail or something, but really it's an everyday thing that you come through your garage. When you pull your car in or park in your garage, you see that and that immediate feeling of organization and beautiful cabinetry, slat wall really brings a nice, good feeling and sets the tone when you walk into your home. For me personally, I hope that they just get to enjoy the garage, the opportunity to be out here and to do stuff and feel like you have an organized space.